Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to RB online class. Today we are going to discuss about our class Think book. Think book. Okay. Page number 19. Friends, do you remember what we learned in this chapter? Our clothes. Our class we learn in this chapter different types of cloths and its uses and how do we get the raw materials to make the cloths and sources what our cloths are made from, and also the different types of cloths that we use for different seasons and occasions, the different types of uniform. But all these things we learn in this chapter. Just recall once again. First one, the different types of cloth and its uses. Students, we learned about the different types of cloths. What are those? Cotton cloth, woolen cloth, silk cloth. These are the different types of cloths. When do we wear cotton cloths? We wear cotton cloths in summer. Why do we wear cotton cloths in summer? We wear cotton cloths in summer. But why? Cotton cloths absorbs the sweat and it absorbs the sweat. It keeps our body cool in summer. That's why we wear cotton cloths in summer. Students, where do we get cotton? Yes, we get cotton from cotton plants. With the help of that, we make cloths. They weavers. Weavers weave the cloth. That famous weavers village is Muli in Gujarat. They make the cloths at Charaka. Yes. Then about woolen clothes. Friends, when do we wear woolen cloths? We wear woolen cloths in winters. Why? Why do we wear woolen cloths in winter? Not cotton cloths, we wear in winter. Because woolen cloths keeps our body warm in winter. And where do we get wool from? We get wool from sheep. Farmers of the farmers shave off the hair or for once or twice a year is known as shearing. Shearing means the farmers cut the hairs or fur of the sheep once or twice a year. We get wool from sheep. Woolen cloth is knitted into sweater, socks, scarves, etc. We wear these cloths in winter. Nowadays, the sweaters and coats are also made from synthetic cloth. Synthetic means it is an artificial cloth, means it made from plastics. For example, acrylic and nylon are the artificial cloths. Next, silk cloths. We wear silk cloths in special occasions. For special occasions, we wear cloths made of silk. Silk made by silkworm. How do we get silk? Silk we get from silkworms. They spin a cocoon around their body. The thread from the cocoon is woven into silk. Its way of cloth by cocoon is converted into silk. Silk thread we make by cocoon. When we woven cocoon, it's a make a silk thread. You know that cotton, woolen and silk cloths can get wet. Yes, we need this all about different cloths. Then the sources and what our cloths are made from. What do you mean by sources? Sources means, as I already told you that it's raw material where we get from that cotton, woolen and silk. Students, do you remember that how do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. We make different types of cloths in cotton. Then woolen. We get wool from sheep. When farmer shearing once and twice in a year, we get wool from sheep. And silk cloth. So also says silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. The cocoon surrounded that body is converted into a when this cocoon woven we get a silk thread. Yes, these are the sources. And what our cloths are made from. They also learn about synthetic cloths. This is a artificial cloth. Next, the different types of cloths that we use for different seasons and occasions. Yes, students, cotton cloths. Seasons. What are the seasons? Summer, winter, and rainy season. We wear cotton cloths in summer. All of you know that. Why do we wear cotton cloths in summer? It absorbs the sweat. It keeps our body cool in summer. That's why we wear cotton cloths in summer. Next, winter season. Winter season, more cold will be there. That's why we should wear the woolen cloths in winter to avoid the cold. It keeps our body warm in winter. So we have to wear the woolen cloths in winter. Next is that silk cloths. Sorry, summer season or winter. Next rainy season. These woolen cloths, cotton cloths and silk cloths get wet. Then what do we wear in rainy season? We wear raincoats, gumboots, etc. made from plastic. Woolen and silk cloths and cotton cloths can get wet. We need waterproof clothing to protection during rainy season. So, raincoat and gumboots that we wear during the season are waterproof. In rainy season, we wear the waterproof clothes like raincoat, gumboots, it's made from plastic. So we have to wear the waterproof clothes in which season? Rainy season. Next, fun seasons, occasions, different seasons we wear summer, winter and rainy season. All you know that which clothes we wear in according to season. Then now occasions. In special occasions we wear a special cloth, that is silk cloth. If marriage is there, naming ceremony, these all we have to wear we wear silk cloth, means special dress for special occasions. Next, the different types of uniform. We wear a uniform to school. In the same way, some people wear different types of uniform on duty. Like when we go to school, we wear the uniform. All of us say wear the same uniform. Like school students, the many people wear the same uniform on their duties, on their duty. For example, nurse, traffic police, lawyer, constable, doctor, postman, security guard. They have a different uniform according to their duties. They wear the all same dress on their duty. And can you identify the lawyer? How is his dress? Yes, he wear white dress with a black jacket. That is the lawyer uniform. Like that, on duty, many people wear the different uniforms. For example, nurse, doctor, police, constable. These are wear the different uniforms on their duties. Next, according to the different types of dresses in different parts of India. In India, in India, where people wear the different dresses in different regions like Karnataka, Gujarat, Punjab, Kerala. They wear different regions. They wear the different clothes. This we learned in this chapter. Silk. I will ask some questions, students. You can guess and try to answer for that question. Silk is made of sheep's fur. Is it right or wrong, students? Silk is made of sheep's fur. Students, where do we get silk from? Silk we get from silkworm. Here they are given that silk is made of sheep's fur. What we get sheep's fur? We get woolen for sheeps. That's why it is a wrong answer. Students, can you guess the second answer? Cotton is obtained from nature. Is it correct or wrong? Say yes or no. Cotton is obtained from nature. Yes, plants are there in nature. So, plants are in nature. So, we get cotton from nature. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a correct one. Clothes protect our body from heat and cold. Students, when we feel the heat in summer, we feel heat. In winter, we feel cool. So we wear the different clothes in different seasons. According to seasons, we wear different clothes now. Then clothes protect our body from heat and cool. In summer, we wear cotton cloths because it's protect our body from heat. It absorb the sweat and keeps our body cool in summer. That's why we wear cotton cloths in summer. Then cold in winter season we wear woolen cloths, sweater, scarves, socks, etc. That's keep our body warm in winter. Students, according to this, what we get? Clothes protect our body from heat and cold. No, it is correct one. So yes, it protect our body from heat and cold. Okay, students. Hope you understood these things. Tomorrow we will solve your think book question answers. Okay, thank you.